I have to interrupt this little kitten named Cricket. She's been eating her canned food, and she is just so cute when she eats that I figured maybe you would like to just take a few moments from your day and just watch a kitten have dinner. She's adoptable. She's just 4 months old, playful and sweet. Her name is Cricket, and she's at Noah's Kingdom Humane Society, where she's awaiting adoption. Cricket is fixed and up to date on her shots. She's playful and loving. And a good eater, as you can see. That's Cricket. And a good jumper, too. Good girl. I think there's a little bit more left. You want to jump?
Oh, I've got more if you want.
And we've got more.